Healthy food isn't bland, it's a flavorful journey waiting to be explored. Imagine a sizzling veggie stir-fry, where bell peppers, broccoli, and snap peas all come together, seasoned with the tantalizing flavors of garlic, ginger, and a dash of soy sauce. A symphony of color and taste that will make your taste buds sing. Next, picture a vibrant quinoa salad fiesta. Juicy cherry tomatoes, creamy avocado, and tangy feta cheese, all tossed together with a sprinkle of fresh herbs. A lemon vinaigrette drizzle takes this dish from ordinary to extraordinary. It's not just a salad, but a celebration of zesty, fresh flavors. As for comfort food, nothing beats a warming chickpea curry. The aroma of fragrant spices like cumin, turmeric, and coriander fills your kitchen, creating a dish that's both comforting and invigorating. Paired with fluffy brown rice, it's a meal that will make you forget all about the bland and boring. And what about breakfast? Dive headfirst into a berry bliss smoothie bowl. Frozen berries, banana, and almond milk blend together into a velvety, smooth concoction, topped with crunchy granola and chia seeds. It's a breakfast that's both nourishing and indulgent. But who said you can't have dessert? Indulge in a dark chocolate avocado mousse, where creamy avocado meets rich dark chocolate. Topped with sliced almonds for an added crunch, it's the perfect way to enjoy decadence without compromise. Healthy food isn't just about nourishment, it's about creativity, exploring flavors, and savoring every bite. So the next time you're in the kitchen, spice it up, experiment, and remember, making nutritious food can be downright delightful. So why not give these dishes a try at home? They're not just good for you, they're a feast for the senses. After all, who said healthy food had to be boring? Enjoy the journey, and remember, every plate is a canvas waiting for your creativity. Bon appetit!